Germany has one of the best healthcare systems in the world, but the system itself is falling sick. The reason? Germany has a severe deficit of care workers. More than 40,000 job vacancies in care facilities are unfilled.
Right now, we see mainly the nursing profession affected by the shortage of skilled workers.
By 2030, the country will need up to 300,000 nurses. Why is this happening? One reason is Germany's changing demographic. Baby boomers played a major role in the labor supply, but now they are retiring and aging, which means they will also need care soon.
Age range of skilled workers is also on the rise. We have a median of 51 years right now in the healthcare system.
Another reason is that there are not enough people in Germany training to become care workers. Many complain that the wages are uncompetitive and that the workload is too heavy. Professor Neumeyer also says there isn't enough professional recognition.
Everybody who goes into the system as a skilled healthcare worker wants to take part of it and wants to give their best.
For many years, Germany has tried to fix the staff shortage. One solution has been to recruit care workers from abroad, but it hasn't closed the gap, and the pressure to find more keeps growing.
As we all know, Germany is currently experiencing labor shortage of more than 3 million vacancies. Okay, and with this in mind, they have issued a new opportunity for foreign workers. Right now, they are in need of foreign workers more than other countries in the world. Right now, they are currently experiencing labor shortage. Labor shortage in Germany right now is more higher than that of the UK, US, Canada, and so on. Right now, Germany, they are giving out new opportunity card to non-EU skilled workers to come to Germany and work. Okay, as you can see, it says Germany new opportunity card provides non-EU skilled workers a chance to come to the country without a job for a minimum of 1 year. This is to tell you how they are in need of workers. They are in need of foreign workers like you. This new resident permit allows them to find a job while they stay in Germany, and they are also allowed to work part-time until they find a job that is convenient for them, and they can convert this opportunity card to a work permit. Okay, stay tuned from start to finish of this video. I'll be showing you all the requirement that is needed, and also I'll be showing you how you can apply for this opportunity card in Germany. Okay, they are in need of foreign workers. Okay, as you can see over here, let me show you there are some certain things I have to show you. Okay, on Friday, June 2023, the members of the German adopted a federal government draft law on the further development of skilled workers immigration, which also include skilled worker visa and also known as opportunity card. The new visa is based on points, the success score of 6. If an applicant has a degree recognized from Germany, he or she will directly qualify for the opportunity card, which is also called a resident permit. Okay, otherwise he will have to score a total of 6 points for age, qualification, professional skills, and language skills. Okay, what is this opportunity card in Germany? The German government want to introduce immigration for people from non-EU countries to look for a job with the so-called opportunity card. It's like this DV lottery that is currently on right now in Germany. Okay, what is the difference? Okay, this one is, there's no difference. It's like US green card that is currently going on right now. Why Germany is more better? Because they are giving you, it's not like US that is being like draw, but this one is by points. They have 6 points for your age, qualification, professional skills, and your language skills. You see, this one is more easier than USA. Okay, let me show you more things that you need to know. The opportunity card is initially valid for 1 year and can be extended by a further 2 years if the person has an employment contract or an offer of qualified employment. Okay, what are the requirements for this card? Anyone who can show a degree recognized in Germany immediately meets the condition for an opportunity card. Anyone who has 2 years of vocational training or a university degree that is a state recognized in their home country can also apply for an opportunity card. According to draft resolution, applicants must demonstrate basic German language skills of A1 and acquire 6 points according to a specific system language skills, professional experience, age, and a reference of Germany, okay, are recognized. Let's go further. It said, in general, there are following requirements for an applicant to be considered successful for the opportunity card: a foreign degree or a vocational qualification, professional experience of at least 3 years, German language skills at about B1 level, age of less than 35 years will be awarded for each point. Let's say 4 points. You can see this is the point based system, how they calculate it, how you will be given point. Okay, 4 points for a foreign professional qualification that is recognized to a German standard, even if qualification may be required. You have at least 5 years professional experience, good German skills, and language skills. Okay, this is everything you need to know about this opportunity card that is currently going on right now in Germany. Okay, so an opportunity card, how to apply, let me show you. In order to apply for the German opportunity card, the government has not yet decided on the process, but it may be as follows. Okay, you either apply through an online portal or fill an application form designated online visa portal. May ask you to upload your personal, educational, and work-based documents. Your document will be checked by a German authority. If you meet all the criteria, you can then contact the German diplomatic mission in your home country to get an opportunity for the visa application. After a few weeks, you should get the work visa. You should get the visa based on the opportunity card. You can then travel to Germany with it. Okay, let's go further. He said, in some cases, you will probably have to set up one to prove that you have enough money to get started in Germany. You may also need to have some documents naturalized. In Germany, you can then go to companies with this visa, introduce yourself there and work on trial basis. If a company hires you, you can go to an immigration office in Germany and get a longer visa that allows you to work. However, if you cannot find a work, you will be able to stay in Germany for a complete 1 year, and even can extend this period to more 2 years. You can also work part-time in Germany during your job search time to make your living secure. Okay, you don't need, this is everything you need to know about this visa. Okay, it's currently open right now. As you can see, it's currently, they are still making decision on it. Okay, so I will advise you, stay tuned. Germany has been long recognized as a hub for innovation and also known to be welcoming international talent, but new laws could make it even easier for those outside the European Union to live and work in the country. Okay, they are still making decision on this opportunity card, so I will advise you, stay tuned so that you can easily participate when this opportunity is out. Okay, this is still the same thing, it's still the same explanation that they are explaining. Okay, this is what you need to know about this opportunity card that is currently going to open very soon in Germany. Okay, this is it. This is Germany. As you can see, it's currently open right now. This is everything you need to know about this opportunity card. Everything is there on this website. I'll be leaving the link of this website in the description box below, so you do well to also read it and check it out yourself. Okay, this is it, guys. I'm leaving the link of this website in the description box of this video. Okay, alright guys, see you in my next video.